Hello, my name is Rina Miranda, and this is my colleague Jeremy Datsenville.
Hello everyone.
We're both realtors and work with Keller Williams Realty based in Miami Beach, Florida. We are here today with Mr. Frank Concepcion, Senior Loan Originator for Van Dyke Mortgage, to talk about how people that are not from the United States can buy property in Florida. Hi Frank, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
There are a few things international buyers have misconceptions about, so let's clear these out for them. For example, most people think they can only do full cash transactions, but we know that's not the case. So Frank, what steps does an international buyer need to take in order to purchase a property in Florida if they are going to require financing?
Right. So step one is to speak with a loan officer at a bank or mortgage company about your financial situation in order to obtain a pre-approval letter. Now, this letter issued by a lender will certify that you're a solid candidate for a mortgage loan, and it will also make sure that you're ready to make a successful offer on a property.
So Frank, what type of loans are available for international buyers?
Well, loans for international buyers will vary from lender to lender, though they all tend to share the same characteristics. By and large, an international buyer can expect to be offered an adjustable rate mortgage, which means that the interest rate can change throughout the term of the loan. With that said, some lenders do offer fixed rate options, though bear in mind the interest is usually higher on a fixed rate mortgage.
Do you have to be a resident with a green card or a work visa if you need a loan?
No, not at all. There are plenty of financing options for buyers without these statuses.
Gee, that's great.
Okay, so what kind of documentations do international buyers need to provide in order to get a loan?
Well, international buyers can expect a lender to review their income, their assets, and their credit history. For income, generally the lender is going to request a letter from your accountant explaining how you make your income and where it's derived from.
Right.
Now, beyond that, you can expect a lender to request account statements from the banks and financial institutions where you hold your funds, and you can also expect a lender to pull a credit report of your country and ask about any other properties that you own.
So what is the minimum down payment required for a single-family home purchase versus a condo?
So just like with documentation, this is going to vary between lenders.
Okay.
Although it's not unusual for lenders to require down payments between 25 to 50%. And you might also expect condos to carry slightly higher down payments than for single-family homes.
Yes, but is there a difference when you're buying a primary or an investment or a vacation residence?
Well, this distinction is very important if you're a domestic buyer, for instance, though it isn't always a big concern for foreign national lending. Most deals are for investment, and the terms are often the same regardless of occupancy.
Is there a minimum amount or a percentage you have to loan?
Well, for the investors that we work with here at Van Dyke Mortgage, our minimum loan amount is $200,000, and our down payments range from 30 to 50%, depending on the kind of deal and the circumstances of the property.
Right.
This translates into a minimum price range for us of about $286,000 to $400,000 depending.
Well, that's great, Frank. Thank you so much for your time and sharing your knowledge with
It's
us.
been my pleasure.
Well, we hope that's helped you.
And stay tuned for more real estate tips.
In the meantime, if you know of anyone thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, contact us.
Have
a great one.
one.